Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. So sorry for this crazy look, but today we're looking at a Slim that doesn't seem to have the controller connect. So if I power it on, there's a lot that I've been kind of messing around with this. I'm going to switch to volts real quick. I don't have a fan plugged in, but basically if we look up here, I've had multiple issues with this console where USB wasn't getting 5 volts, and now we do get our 5 volts. Oh, you can't see it. 1 second. So our USB is getting 5 volts, 5.094. Console power is on, but I'm stuck on the can't connect, connect the controller to USB cable. So if I plug in a controller into our controller port and I press the power button, nothing happens. So I know usually it's been said like probe around this area, check your voltage. So if I check here, I get, what do I get? 5 volt. It's gonna power off, but it's overheating, but I get all my voltages, so 3.3, 5, 5, 3.3, and I even soldered this extra, I don't know if you'll be able to catch it, but I soldered this wire to the right side of the Wi-Fi chip, and if we look and get this out of the freaking gaze, did that make it better? Yes, it did. So if I power it on real quick and I touch that lead, I get my basically I'm getting my 1.8, 1.92 volts there also. So the Wi-Fi chip definitely also works. Now I know you may be thinking, hey, you don't have it in the case, maybe it's that. Nope, I put it back in the case also and it did nothing. I tried, so with my 5 volt issues, I'm jumping all over the place, but essentially 5 volts usually deals with this area right over here. So I had an issue where this guy was short, these guys were short. I replaced these and I got back my 5 volts. I replaced this and I got back my 5 volts, and then now I didn't, so I had to jump these 2 legs, which gave me back my 5 volts. I swapped all the data line ICs over here and over here. I've basically done everything I can think of, minus like going full Southbridge reball on this. So basically what I'm going to do today is, I don't know if this will work or not, I pulled another Wi-Fi chip from a dead Slim board, and if we look here, let's see if we can get it. If we look right here, this is what I'm talking about. So I ended up reballing another one, and we're going to put it on this guy and see if that fixes the issue. And if it doesn't, hey, I've tried everything at this point, and this console is just doomed to be dead forever. So that's what we'll do right now. I'll set you guys up. We'll pull the Wi-Fi chip. It is a bit annoying on these consoles. We'll put on a new Wi-Fi chip and see if she lives. So yeah, let's just jump on into it. You guys have seen me do this a bunch of times, but it's kind of a different orientation right now. So I got my board set on my Achi, so as you see, there's a little bit more inside, and I have it shifted all the way this way, so the Wi-Fi chip, as you see there, can be the center star of today's show. So what we're gonna do is, I have my bottom heater profile set to the usual. This is gonna take literally to 230 most likely to lift, and hopefully it'll be a clean lift. We'll clean the pads, plop back on the new one, reflow it back on, and hopefully that'll fix the problem. If not, I don't know what else will, so we'll just send it now. So we got it put back all together after the Wi-Fi Bluetooth model swap, and you wouldn't believe what happened next. Let's see if I can get it to turn on first. Power. Red light. Did you hear that? Beep, beep, beep. Before I say what it is, if you want to guess what error codes I'm getting, leave a comment down below. But the error codes, after running the syscon logs, I'm getting 3034, 4103. So from here, I guess I'm going to have to put it back on the Achi, and you guys should know what I'll be doing with the 3034. I'm going to reball the RSX. I'm going to remove it, reball it, put it back on. I have no problem doing that because it's a 65 nanometer, and hopefully that will fix our 3034 and we can go back to our Wi-Fi issues and see if that one's resolved. So time to set up the Achi cam. And while we do that, I would like to thank today's sponsor, PCBWay. In celebration of their 10th anniversary, PCBWay is extending their incredible offers and discounts throughout the month of August, making it easier than ever to prototype and produce your designs. Whether you're a startup, a hobbyist, or a large corporation, PCBWay's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction remains unparalleled. Visit PCBWay.com to explore exclusive deals, contests, and surprises that await you throughout the month of August. Don't miss out on the chance to save big and experience the quality that has made PCBWay the trusted choice for thousands of customers worldwide. Visit PCBWay today to turn your ideas into reality, where quality meets precision. Alright, console back together post 65 nanometer reball. Gonna power it on and let's hope and see what happens. Red light. Fan spin. Oh snap. Nope, yellow light of death. Just what I thought. Oh boy. I'm gonna hook up the UART and see what the codes say, and then I'm probably gonna give up after that, because yeah, I don't know. Let's hook up the UART and see what it says. Okay, so post second 3034. So what did we get? 3034, 1701, 4103, 3034, 4403, 14FF. So I don't know. I have no idea what else to do. I'm going to go back to do what you did last before the error and before the RSX. I swapped this out. So I just completely, if you look there, I completely removed the Wi-Fi Bluetooth chip. I'm just going to put it back together and see if it powers on, because then at least I'm doing process of elimination. It's either going to be RSX cell or Bluetooth at this point, and I am not going to reball the cell. So if I turn it on and this works, then at least we can kind of go somewhere from here. If I turn it on and I'm still getting yellow light of death, I'm just going to give up on this, because like it's a Slim. You can only go so far with these guys, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it back together and we'll come back. Okay, she's back together. Gonna switch power back on. Place your bets. Do you guys think she's gonna work, or do you think she's not gonna work? Let's find out. Oh, I was gonna say, ain't no way the Wi-Fi Bluetooth module was causing 3034. It's weird because the first one is a slower 3034. Well, yellow light of death. Actually, now in general, it's just slow. I guess we'll read the syscon one more time, but whatever this turns out to be, I'm probably going to call it. But let's find out together. Okay, we got our syscon all wired up. So we're going to do the COM3SW. We're going to auth. Here we go again with this. Takes a few tries, I don't know why. Cool. And so I still have, yep, we do. I'm going to paste all the error log gets, and let's see. 3034, 4441, 30, what is a 4441? I'm assuming that's going to be something to do with it not having a Wi-Fi chip, but I don't know. All of those I saw before, so I'm not worried about those. Yeah, let's see what the 4441 is. That's an interesting one. Yeah, 4441. As always, you can use RIP Rip Felix's syscon tutorial. It's always useful. We're going to head over to the syscon error codes from the PS3 dev wiki. We're looking for 4441. Oh boy. Cell Cell or RSX. Very generic error code. So it could be the RSX, it could be the cell. I don't know. Maybe I did kill the RSX and the cell by replacing the Wi-Fi module, because to be fully transparent, this one, if it focuses, hold on, we'll just bring it close up to wrap this up because I'm done with it. This was our original Wi-Fi Bluetooth module, so this was the first one. This one was the second one from a Slim donor. Didn't work, yellow light of death, and I assumed I needed a third one for another donor, just because I don't it's hard to tell on these consoles whether or not these guys are good or not. Like, sometimes you gotta solder a wire, a jumper wire over here if it decides it wants to focus. You gotta solder a jumper wire to this here to see if it has 1.8, and it's all kind of crazy stuff. So I'm gonna just give up. Unfortunately, I am a quitter. Thought it was gonna work, thought it was gonna be interesting, but unfortunately I don't know how to fix it. If anyone knows any of these codes or what the hell is going on, leave it down below. I'd love to come back and get this guy working, but as of right now I don't see a way, so I'm gonna leave it at that. As always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You can ask a question, but I don't think I have an answer for a Slim because clearly I can't fix it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, whatever that may be. See ya.